Lucia from HYUNDAI. Now I'm in Shanghai Port and now I will show you the crawler excavator. Okay, let's go. As you see, this machine in front of us is the HYUNDAI excavator HX60N. This machine, the operating weight is 5.7 tons. Of course, the bucket capacity is 0.21 cubic meters. It has an open hood, so it's easy to maintain. Now let's look at. This machine is equipped with a YANMAR engine with 36.2 kW, which is characterized by its strong running power and high efficiency. Now let's look at the cab. This machine is equipped with a spacious and comfortable cab, including air suspension seat, air conditioning, and LED instrument panel. Okay, do you want to learn more about the machine? Okay, you can contact me directly. See you next time.